go in like 1 second.
Ginger, the reason I'm
definitely-
putting ginger in is ginger is good for your gut. It's good for your gut. I like the spiciness. Good.
And
Squeeze a little bit. Squeeze a little
then
bit.
squish it as hard as you can.
Not as hard as you can.
Yeah, I went down in less
It's
than a
down.
second.
That's how fast
See?
I went when I did it. That's how fast
Okay.
just want to drink it.
Drink it.
It's weird now.
And mix it.
Okay.
We're gonna put that wrist to
We will. Yeah.
It's
but
getting kind of full.
I know we gotta wait. Do me a favor. Dump this out and rinse it out real quick.
Oh, that's actually really good.
That's
It's
awesome.
less-
Lemony than I thought.
Tastes less lemony than you thought.
It's good.
It's yo.
Sour. Mine is
good.
really
It's sweet and sour at the same time.
Oh yeah, it's actually.
You should add sugar to it. Yeah, we all need. How long is this? Hey.
Take that.
And a half. Whoa. You don't even need to push that.
Yeah.
So
You don't need to push
You
it.
can push it
It's
like
just
slowly, like push it.
No, it's just grinding.
Slowly push it.
And then there's pineapple pieces that's not in there.
Orange.
Orange.
Mango.
Oranges would have been good.
Mango juice.
Got it.
Mango juice.